Looking for a faster and totally free alternative to ChatGPT? Then you need to see Mistral AI. It's blazing fast, needs no sign up, and it's completely free. Let me show you how to use it. Hey, this is DoxaKit, where we explore the smartest AI tools, apps, and tech that actually work. If you're tired of downloading apps that waste your time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Mistral AI? It's a new open-source chatbot that's been making waves in the AI world. It uses powerful language models like Mistral 8x7b, designed to deliver fast, smart, and privacy-conscious results. Think of it as a lightweight, open-source version of ChatGPT, but with optional login, no wait time, and zero cost. Here's how to try it out right now. Just go to chat.mistral.ai or search Mistral AI on your browser. You can also find the link in this video description. Once you're in, you'll see a clean chat interface ready to go. You can hold a whole chat without signing up for an account. No credit card. It loads instantly. But if you want to keep a history of your conversation and future reference, you can sign up for an account. It's totally free and simple to do that. You can ask it to help you in any topic, just like ChatGPT. Let's write a prompt like this. Explain how inflation works in plain terms that is easy to understand. And yep, you'll see how fast and clear the replies are. It's like ChatGPT, but snappier. You can even use it to write code. Let's try that. Generate a code in HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for a simple and neat calculator app. And in just a matter of seconds, it's done generating the complete code. This is amazing. Let's ask it to put the code together into the HTML instead of separate files. This way, it makes it simpler to copy just one code. Let's write, "Can you put the code into a single code?" or something like that. Yep, it has combined the HTML, JS, and CSS into one single code for us. Now, let's go copy the code into any code editor to test if it's working. Search HTML Online Code Viewer. Find any one and paste the code into it and run it. Let's test if it's functioning. Let's do a simple calculation here. Number 8 divided by number 2. Press the equal button and that gives you 4. That's accurate. We now have a full working calculator app just by writing a simple prompt. Now, let's talk about why this could replace ChatGPT for a lot of people. No login if you choose to. Faster responses, free to use for all important features you need. Great for writing, learning, summarizing, code, and idea generation. ChatGPT still has the edge when it comes to plugins and memory, but for speed and ease of access, Mistral is fire, especially if you just need quick answers or content. Here are a few ways to use Mistral right now in your daily life. Use it to draft your emails faster. Brainstorm ideas for YouTube videos, business names, blog posts. Summarize articles or rewrite messy paragraphs. Help you learn topics in simple language. And the best part? No annoying login screens, no payment wall, and no distractions. So if you're done with slow AI apps and want something quick and powerful, go try Mistral AI right now. I've dropped the link in the description. Comment below. What will you use Mistral AI for? Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to DoxaKit because we test smart tech so you don't have to. Next up, I'll compare Mistral versus ChatGPT in a head-to-head test. Until then, thanks for watching and stay smart with DoxaKit. Goodbye.